Hey guys, Johnny here from Canoe Club, doing a quick unboxing on the new Asics CDG Shirt Tarthher SC. The box is actually pretty dope. It has like a bunch of like designs and drawings. Looks like an architecture type drawing, you know. This is what we're here for. This is the good stuff. So the shoes are a white shoe, has like a white suede, like a gray type of suede as well, all around. Mesh. It also has the iconic split tongue with the lime green, leopard print, and then the bottom also has some leopard print with some like cool textures on it. A really cool daily shoe. They're really like runners, could maybe be used for athletic wear, but definitely a really cool everyday like casual walking shoe. Has a lot of cool little details, like I said, the suede, the leopard print, has lime green, like aqua blue, pink. Also has a lime liner, and it's just an overall comfy shoe. Be paired really well with either oversized pants, in my opinion, some shorts, like some basketball mesh shorts or some running shorts. Also straight leg denim as well. I think any color would pair well, just because they're white shoes. In my opinion, white shoes are like the most versatile shoes, so you could always wear white shoes with anything. And some dope socks would look well with too. Some crazy print socks would be fun and definitely would match the style of these. I like this detail, the like CDG shirt. It's cool to see. CDG always collaborate with a bunch of different brands. You can see these shoes being styled out in our latest September staff pics. You can see them with the cool outfit that Ian actually wore. Yeah, so go check it out.